To me, this has been one of the most influential books that I've read in my career. Like, as far as understanding neural networks, right? And I'll give you guys the same advice I've given every time I display this book. If you want to know neural networks, well, first of all, keep on coming back, because your good buddy Dennis is going to teach you neural networks. But if you really want to do neural networks, do the same thing that I did. I went through this book and I did every single code example. He shows you how to do neural networks without any frameworks. He actually shows you like the math behind neural networks. And it's not overly complex, there's a couple sections, but it's not too bad. But that's what I did. I went through and I did every single example that he has. And then when you finish the whole book, turn around and do the entire book again, but this time do it with a neural network framework like Keras. Because that's how you'll actually be doing it, right? Nobody actually does the math in neural network anymore. It's unnecessary. You're going to use a framework. But if you really want to understand neural networks, do that. You're going to go through the book twice. The first time, do it just as he wrote it. Do every single Python example and all that. Get the code to work for yourself. Make your own changes. Do your own experiments, blah, blah, blah. Understand what that code looks like. And then turn around, start from page 1, and do every single example, but this time using Keras. Because that simulates the real world, right? If you can do that, go through that book twice like that, you'll be well on your way to understanding neural networks. But of course, keep on coming back to this series, right? I think we're going to have like 3 or 4 more in this series. I don't know yet. But this book to me was really helpful. I mean, I'll keep on recommending this book until the day I die. It was a really good book. So something for you guys to keep in mind.